Gall College Swansea support our pupils in their transition from school to further education. For some of our pupils, that starts when they are in the beginning of year 10 for our more vulnerable pupils. And for other pupils, that could be towards the end of year 10, where they will start having assemblies, workshops, things like that. So our vulnerable learners have a more tailored approach to their transition. Visits to places like Jubilee Court, where they can undertake qualifications in things like construction and landscaping. One of the good things that the college does with our parents is, in order to try and build those relationships, they come to our year 10 and our year 11 parents' evening, and during those parents' evenings, we've seen parents approaching the staff to ask them things like what support will be available for their children when they go to college, what type of courses are available that would suit their children, is there any financial support, things like that. And the college team are always very well equipped with prospectuses, information, and they really reassure our parents about the type of support and how it's going to continue the way it did from school. We've had a number of pupils over the years that have gone on to Russell Group universities, and they've been very successful in some really competitive courses. And we know that's down to the support that they've received when going to Gall College Swansea. I think for me, what I'm most proud of is that for the majority of our pupils, this is the first time that in their families that they're going on to further education. And I think that emphasises for me how, by working together, we are breaking those cycles and we are helping families to value education. So the transition from school to college can be really daunting for some pupils, but the ongoing partnerships that we have with Gall College Swansea have helped us to remove those barriers and watch our pupils thrive.